Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chris here. I am really excited because I received another snack crate and I'm really excited to open it. I had so much fun recording the last video and opening that one. If you haven't seen my last video, go watch it right here, right now. My favorite thing out of that was, what was it again? Oh, it was the shortbread thing. It had no writing on the package. It was my favorite thing. I was scared to eat it. But you know what? That just proves that don't be afraid to try things because you never know. You'll try it and you might love it, like I did with that thing. Let's just dive right into this video. Really excited to see what's inside. Let's open it. My trusty little X-Acto blade. What country did we get this time? I don't know. I want it to be like Ireland or like, I don't know, Caribbean, Poland, something like that. That'd be really cool. But we'll be happy with whatever we get because there's going to be more to come, I hope. What did we get? I don't even know. I don't even know. Colombia. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Ooh, I see some coffee beans on this little crate. Or this crate, sorry, this little picture here. I see some coffee. So I'm assuming I'm gonna get some coffee treats in here. Wow, so beautiful. This is like, oh, I'm not looking at this paper because it shows the snacks that are in there and I don't wanna spoil it for myself. I like to be surprised. I like surprises. Fun facts about Colombia. I love this and you can read all about it. It's super cool that they do this. It's really like a learning thing as well. Like you learn about different countries. Okay, Colombia is home to more species of butterflies, orchids, amphibians, and birds than all of Europe and North America combined. Oh wow. Ew, amphibians. Boasting a vibrant music scene, Colombia is home to many famous musicians such as Shakira and Juani? Oh, I don't know that person's name. When finishing a cup of coffee, Colombians soak blocks of cheese in a cup and eat it. Wait, what? It's fascinating. The paper is so cute. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited to try some of these treats. I hope watching these videos inspires you guys to want to, you know, try these treats as well. I just learned some things about Colombia. Don't ask me what they were right now because it's like I don't soak things up like that. Anyways, without further ado, let's open this bitch up, shall we? They use a different sticker this time. Don't mind the bug bites on my hands. I was up north by North Bay and the black flies are brutal, let's just say. If you go up there, bring some bug spray. Oh my god, what the hell is that? It looks like little donuts. Little donuts. Welcome to this month's snacking adventure. Get social with us. Okay, we've got lots of things in here. Oh my god, there's so many bags. I'm gonna try these donut looking things because I really want to try them. Really bad. Oh, it's not donuts. It looks like little donuts. Ciba, real cheese baked, not fried. New, that's new. Handmade by master bakers. Cheese rings, always fresh, always crunchy. Everybody loves a crunch. Colombia. What does that smell? Like I am picking up the smell of cheese. But at the same time I smell is raisins and I don't understand it. But let's give these little donut looking things a try, shall we? Colombia. Not starting good, honey. Oh. Oh. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. That's not for me. This is different. Okay, this one here is La Nina. Lemon bacon chips. Interesting combination. Okay, cute. It's a bacon and lemon chip. Okay. Oh my god! Not what I was expecting, people. Not what I was expecting. Let's try one of these buggers. Don't love the flavor. The texture, I don't know if you guys have this wherever you are. Bugles. They almost taste like ranch bugles, but less ranch, more lemon or lime. Zero bacon flavor. Plantain, okay. La Nina. Try these. This is so much fun, y'all. Y'all need to try this. Y'all need to get a snack box. You can get a small one. I think what, it's like 14 bucks or something. Oh, okay. So I've had plantain chips before and they just taste like Lay's potato chips. That's all they taste like to me. And they're really cute. Like they look like a potato chip. I like it. Brings me back to the days I used to eat these. Ooh. Oh, I don't know what that is, but I really want to eat it. Next. There's no English on this one. I don't believe there is, and if there is, please somebody teach me English. Naturally flavored spicy tortilla chips. Let's try them, shall we? These are super cute. They look like little Doritos. They look like little Doritos. You can't see that one. Anyways, just trust me, it looks like a Dorito, except it's puffed. Oh yeah. Oh my god, these ones are good. Oh yeah. So far, these are my favorite. Those were really good. Alright, I guess we'll give her a go, shall we? Shall we? Let's do it. What do they smell like? They smell like shortbread. This is shortbread. Oh god, please be good. Okay, can't bite them with your front teeth. The flavor remind me of those little round donut things. They taste too much like the donut things. So that's a no-go. Chocolate covered vanilla cake. My prayers have been answered. Thank you, Colombian gods. Say no more. Chocolate covered vanilla cake. You speak my language. Chocoramo. Chocoramo. I don't know why I'm talking like that. It's just, I'm in the mood. Okay. Oh shit, I ripped the whole thing open. Oh. It's humongous. Lemon, like a lemon vanilla cake. Sweet mother of God. Yes. Oh my god. That one's really good. Chocoramo. We're almost done. Almost done. We have a lot of suckers and a lot of these little... I knew there was going to be some kind of coffee candy in there, and I'm excited because I love anything coffee flavored. Is so good. My friends on YouTube, these are my little bonbon bums. Super Cocoa Barra de Coco. That's all that it says, really. This smells like a Colombian version of our Bounty bars. It's a Bounty bar. Mmm! That is absolutely delicious. This is my favorite thing that I've tried. Oh, let's not eat all of it. But I shan't. The next candy is Bianchi Caramello-y Manny. So clearly there's no English on this one, and I am terrible at reading other languages, let alone my own. It's like a Snickers. It's like a Snickers bar. It looks like a wafer bar. Mexico, the layers of sweet wafer cookies, thank you, are sandwiched together and filled with a decadent coconut cream. I love anything coconut. I love anything cream. Can't knock it till you try it. Some things. Don't quote me on that. It smells like a coconut. They're long. Oh my god. Could you imagine putting that in your coffee? The thing is huge. It's like the size of my face. Just how I remember it when I was a kid. Except it's coconut. Wow. Thumbs up for that one. Last but certainly not least, the coffee candy. I love chocolate. Oh, these are good. So good. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I will be posting more, like I said. This is my second one. I'm doing pretty good. I really appreciate y'all coming to hang out with me for a little bit. I really enjoy making these videos. This was a lot of fun. I had so much fun with Colombia. Other than that, thanks for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. This coffee candy is good.